So the care model is about really understanding the trend, understanding what we need, and then
Mm,
to help the community or to help a particular person, not
mm,
necessarily doing the same things
mm,
like
mm,
before.
mm,
It has to be more dynamic right now. Even the doctors should
mm,
be able to understand and then again modify the old ways. Right now, sister, cardiologists work with lifestyle medicine doctor because
mm,
it's all about changing the habit. It's not just
mm,
about taking the medicines.
mm, mm,
So the beauty of having more collaborative approach, we prevent prognosis of more illnesses in the
yeah.
future.